If your Dell monitor suddenly stopped playing sound, don't panic, because in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through every fix that actually works. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Check for built-in speakers. This might surprise you, but not all Dell monitors come with built-in speakers. Many popular models, like the P-Series or ultra-sharp models, don't have speakers at all. So, look on the back of your monitor for a headphone jack or speaker grill. If your monitor doesn't have speakers, you must use external speakers. If your model does have speakers, let's move on. Step 2. Use HDMI or DisplayPort. Audio doesn't travel through VGA or DVI cables, so using them means you won't get any sound. Switch to an HDMI or DisplayPort cable, as these carry both video and audio. If you're already using one, try swapping to a different cable in case the current one is faulty. Step 3. Update or reinstall audio drivers. Outdated drivers can prevent HDMI audio from working. Open Device Manager, expand the Sound section, and update the audio drivers. If updating doesn't work, uninstall the driver and restart your computer to let Windows reinstall the correct version. Step 4. Enable HDMI audio. For NVIDIA and AMD users, audio over HDMI may be disabled. Open your graphics control panel, find the audio or display settings, and enable digital audio for your Dell monitor. This helps ensure your graphics card sends sound along with the video signal. Step 5. Restart Windows Audio Services. If Windows Audio Services are turned off, nothing will play sound. Open the Run box, type services.msc, and start both Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Restarting these services often fixes silent monitors instantly. Step 6. Factory reset the monitor. If nothing else works, reset the monitor to its default settings. Open the on-screen menu, go to Other Settings, and choose Factory Reset. This clears any incorrect audio settings and can restore sound on many Dell models.